The City of Camrose is perfectly positioned for manufacturing investment. With competitive land, construction and tax costs, as well as an efficient development and building permit process, we are open for business. With a trading area of 150,000, Camrose's established manufacturing sector is growing, creating new opportunities for investors in the vast agriculture and oil and gas sectors. Camrose is surrounded by 4.7 million acres of the most productive farmland in the country, and there are a wide variety of oil and gas manufacturing opportunities in the city, ranging from fuel tanks to welding to structures to environmental services. Your investment dollars go further in Camrose with low rental, lease, and tax rates, as well as highly competitive land prices and construction costs. Excellent fiber optic and electrical networks support advanced manufacturing and high-capacity production. The City of Camrose has a labor pool of 10,000 and the retail, healthcare, and recreation assets to attract highly skilled workers. Local post-secondary institutions like the Augustana campus of the University of Alberta gives employers easy access to an educated workforce and provides opportunities for research partnerships. And our excellent transportation network via highway and rail makes for quick access to markets. Contact us today to find out more about all the City of Camrose has to offer your business.